Afternoon everyone. So today we're at a BMW. This is the F10 model and it's a 525 diesel 2011. So the customer's complaint is a crank, no start. Shut up, I'll have to take time. It's more money now. Customer's complaint is crank, no start, but I can see the gearbox is position P not engaged.
Because I've disconnected it.
Oh, you disconnected it?
I disconnected so we could recover the vehicle.
Good lad, right.
The way to do that, if you want,
Tell me.
is underneath the car.
Underneath the car, you hit
Yes.
it? You just put it in neutral, you can...
No, there's a special way of doing it. But when we get the vehicle on the road, you can come down with your camera and you can do that one.
Right, that's good. Thank you for speaking proper English as well.
Okay.
So the codes...
as you can see, we've got it on the
machine.
The machine.
So we have, first of all, low battery voltage. Now we're fighting...
But that's elementary.
Elementary, right. Deactivation of turbo 15, we can forget that. Start and reach, upper right. So, LIN message preheat control unit. Now that'll be the glow plugs. EGR control deviation. We can look at that. EGR. Real pressure on engine start rail. Too low. So my friend here, he thinks it's the in-tank pump. But that could be, or it could be the pump, or it could be leaking down injectors. Could be many things. Okay.
Come on, I want him.
Ready we go, I think you're a winner. EKPS, electronic fuel pump. No EKPS control current. Bingo. You're right. That's it, right. See that no control current? We can't, it says tail light module out of left. No, I wouldn't think so. That's getting mixed up. But if there's no current, I think the pump is burned out. Or, could be a fuse. You look at one diagram. Parking lot. That's because you disconnected it. Reset, no. So let's clear all DTCs. Because if it's not taking any current, that means it's open circuit.
So that means there's
aye. And can we get access to the fuel pump under the back seats?
I think so.
Sorry about the video, but here's the problem. We went straight to the fuel pump and we've got a broken wire. So my friend put it together there and the thing starts, so we'll just need to do a repair.
That's been soldered before.
I know, so how would that happen? Because that should be a brown wire into there. I don't know. So that's us underneath the back seat and it's held on by 6 10mm nuts. You just lift the back seat up like that.
Go and get wire strippers and we'll just...
Right.
I'll just do it.
There we go, 2 wires connected back together and she's a runner. We just use one of these little Wago connectors and we'll go and solder it when we get it back in the garage. So there you go, that was the reason it came up with that code. It couldn't measure any current on the pump because that's the feed and the other one is the earth. So quite clever stuff in that BMW module. Anyway, quick fix, cheers.